guys, it's the next day and we're going to breakfast because we're here in Jamaica, our first port day. Hey guys, we're on our way to we're in Jamaica, and we're on our way to the big excursion. We're climbing up the waterfall.
We actually found a car to fit all 13 people.
I know, look at that.
Whoa, waterfall. Oh, we got
Hey guys, we're about to go on the waterfall trip, but it's too wet for me to take my phone, so I'm going to switch over to the GoPro.
Los Angeles burns today. Magnesium fills the air, and the sky is a reflection of a weekend in cold despair. She wasn't so far from you, 2 stones from the same blue sea. It could have been anyone. You could have been right from me. I wanna breathe you in. I've given all my love. Giving all my love. Giving all my love, all my love, all my love.
We're here to eat jerk chicken. It's like something that they have a lot in Jamaica, I guess. Look at that jerk chicken, that looks so good.
Actually, we have quite a bit of food.
Alright, here goes, first try. That's so good.
This is really good.
Jerk chicken.
Authentic.
A++.
10 out of 10. Would definitely eat again.
Stop rhyming! Literally, the guys who are selling the souvenirs hit on me 3 times. Shut up. They literally forced the boys to give them money for these stupid dang turtles. Right?
Yeah.
They're not stupid, they're state of the art.
State-of-the-art turtles.
Look at that bad
$12
carving.
for this.
That's
Joke I wanted to.
That's dumb. They literally saw the money in the pocket, was like, give me that. We all fell asleep in the van and we're now shopping, as you can see. We got to we're at the Hard Rock Cafe here in Jamaica, which is off the shore, or like off the beach. So here's the Hard Rock Cafe, and we're going over there to the beach. Here's my dinner. I got linguine pasta with Italian sausage. Here's her dinner. What'd you get?
I got barbecue pork ribs, I think, with cornbread and beans.
Steak and potatoes and broccoli, America.
Shrimp curry.
Money
We're at
Valley
the show,
Card
and
So
it's like
come
a
on
show
over,
with kids.
choose any of these, has the highest Monopoly Money Valley card. Okay, why the money bag?
It's money.
It's money. What does money sound like?
Money.
Money, thank you. Good job, brother. Good job, you did good. All those are yours. Here, so spend the money.
She thought the other way was apt. She walked all the way back there by herself. I went into the children's area, or like the teens area. I walked in to look at the video games. There's a group of teenagers just sitting there. And they all looked at me when I walked in. Yikes. We're playing a card game called BC now because the show is over and there's like nothing to do, so boogers. Round numero 2. Cameron won the first round and I got second place.
Dad is actually like the nastiest thing on earth. So I'd appreciate it if you didn't do that.
Second round, cooking up.
I heart NY. Pick it up.
For
And then
some
she made up a new rule.
for some reason, Cameron won
I
again.
won again.
Then Josh got second
Cameron
place.
won by cheating. That was
not
she
cheating.
is a magnificent liar.
Not true.
Yes, true. My name is Cameron. Hi, my name is Cameron. The show was great. I hate you. Hi, Chloe. Okay, so today is day 2, and this is my outfit, Kendra Scott. That my dress I only got for $8. $7.